Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Sakina with My Brown Sparkles, and today I am bringing you my favorite clean beauty gifts under $30. Are you ready? Let's get into it. So before I introduce you to product number one, I want to let you know that all the products featured in today's video can be found at Sephora. I will link all of the products below in the description box. No, this is not a Sephora promo video. It's not sponsored or anything like that. I just really like Sephora, and when I went this past week to get some new, to re-up on my makeup skincare products, I noticed that these products were perfect for the Christmas season, the gift giving season if you don't celebrate Christmas, and so I wanted to share those with you. So let's get to product number one. Now, product number one is super cool because I found this in their little, you know, the checkout at Sephora, how they have like all the lower price miniature items. That's where I found it. That place is definitely dangerous, and I ended up spending more money than I intended to spend. However, I was so satisfied with what I purchased because it's not something that I see very often from this particular brand, and that is the Nest Perfume Oil Collection. So these are miniature vials of different fragrances from Nest, and Nest is one of my favorite perfume lines. They also make candles, but I love the perfumes. They're very fragrant, very fresh, very fruity, a lot of their scents, and they are a pretty clean brand. It's a non-toxic perfume, and I tend to like the clean finish, and it doesn't have that heavy alcohol smell that a lot of higher end perfume lines have, and I don't like that. So this little pack comes with 5 vials of their perfume oil. So perfume oils are a little different than a typical like perfume spray. The oil seeps into your skin, and it's supposed to make the fragrance last longer. I have purchased their Seville Orange, which there is a vial of that in here in this kit, but this also features the Indian Jasmine, Turkish Rose, South Pacific Sandalwood, and Madagascar Vanilla. This gift is perfect for the woman in your life who loves natural fragrances and who kind of likes to test things out. Perhaps you don't know what fragrance to get them. This is perfect because it allows them to test it out. It's great as a stocking stuffer, and it was only $25. Nest fragrances can be pretty pricey. Even like the small roller bottles are usually about $25. So with this one, you get 5 different scents, and you can try them all and kind of find out what scent you like best. So this is item number one. Okay, so on to gift item number 2. So the product that I'm about to show you, I actually did a review from this brand a couple of weeks ago. You can check out that video here. The brand is Super Goop, and I really like their sunscreens, especially for dark skin, because it's really hard to find sunscreens that don't leave like a white residue or just make your skin look a little ashy or filmy. Their clear sunscreens are actually clear, and they're perfect for makeup primers. And I went to Sephora to go and get another refill of the Unseen sunscreen. And then as I was about to get one of the miniature versions, I noticed they had this SPF from head to toe kit, and it features miniature versions of the SPF primer that I love, the Unseen sunscreen. They also have the Everyday Lotion, which I've never tried before, but it can be used as a moisturizer on your face or body. And then the Defense Refresh. So this is actually a resetting mist that has SPF in it. And I was like, let me do this instead. It's about the same price. So I got this for $28, and you get miniature versions of all of those products. And I can show you what they look like here. But they're minis, and it just a little goes a long way. I like that they offer so many different ways to get SPF on your face. And as I've mentioned in previous videos, I've had laser hair removal on my face, and one of the biggest things is making sure that you don't get in the sun a lot, and that you protect your skin from the sun, because laser treatments can actually cause hyperpigmentation, and that's one of the things that I actually suffer from. So I try to make sure that I'm always wearing SPF on my face, at least when I'm outdoors or when I'm close to windows where a lot of sunlight gets in. So these are just 3 different ways to get that sunscreen and sun protection for your skin. These are perfect for stocking stuffers. You could honestly, if you don't want to give someone this entire kit, you can actually buy the kit and then toss, you know, these little miniatures into different people's stockings who, you know, who would benefit from it. So if you know someone's super active, maybe give them the everyday lotion. This one has SPF 50 and it's water resistant and sweat resistant up to 80 minutes. So this is for your friend who likes to play beach volleyball or who's always outside walking her dog or something like that, or him. It can be a him too, because this is just an everyday body lotion. The Unseen Sunscreen Primer, this is for the person who loves to wear makeup. So if you have a girlfriend who likes to wear makeup, this would be perfect for them. And you know, makeup, skincare products, perfumes, all of those are really personal, but when you give people miniature versions, it's like giving them a sample that allows them to try it out and they can decide if they want to actually get the full size version. But this kit, like I mentioned, is perfect and a great gift idea under $30. Alright, so gift item number 3 is from Pharmacy. So Pharmacy is another clean beauty brand that I really like. I really like their face washes, and I have recently used their Clean Bee face wash. It's really gentle on the skin. That's why I really liked it. But then I saw this kit. I was looking for the Clean Bee, and then I saw this kit. It is the Greens Duo, the Clean Greens Duo, and it features their whipped greens oil-free foaming cleanser and their deep sweet beta hydroxy acid toner. So I've never tried either of these products, but I was looking for a cleaner and I was like, well, this is the same price as the one Clean Bee cleaner that I was going to get, but I get 2. I get 2 for 1. I get a full-size toner and a full-size cleanser. So let me go ahead and give it a try, right? Turns out that this has almost like a balm texture. I really like that. It comes out like a balm. It doesn't foam too much, so it doesn't leave my skin ultra dry. And then this pore cleaning toner, this is nice. It is designed for oily skin, which is what I have. So I won't say that it dries out my skin, but I can notice that it actually takes off that extra layer of oil on my skin. And if you don't know what BHA is actually an acid that it's oil soluble, so it can go into the oils of your skin and bypass the oils. It'll get deep into your pores, and the acid actually helps to clear out and break up sebum and dirt that might be in your pores. So this is actually perfect for people with oily skin. I highly recommend you follow this up with some type of moisturizer after using it, just to kind of replenish your skin and make sure that it's not stripped. As I mentioned, my skin, it didn't feel dry, but I could tell that extra layer of oil was gone. And typically what I like to do after that is I'll go ahead and put a facial oil on my skin just to help seal the deal, kind of seal everything in, make sure my skin doesn't freak out because there's no oil on my face. But I do like the combo, and I love the price, $28 for 2 full size. And well, actually, I'm not sure if this is full size, but I know the toner is full size. But I think it's a great price. If you know someone who likes natural skincare, clean skincare, and who's open to trying new products, I highly recommend this set at Sephora. Only $28 right now. Like I mentioned, I'm going to link it below in the description box so you can check it out yourself. I'm a huge Sephora fan. They never disappoint. It's always extremely dangerous for me to go into the store. That's why I always order online, because at least I know, like when I go online, I get exactly what I want. When I go to the store, I end up coming back with things that I didn't have on the list, but they're always great things, and I'm so excited that I got to share those with you guys. If you like this video and if it was helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up. I want YouTube to show this video to all the people looking for the perfect gifts for that person in their life who likes clean, ethical, eco-friendly products that are safe for their body and safe for the environment. So hopefully more people will be able to see this video, and I'll be able to make more videos like this for you. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.